In this video, I'm going to show you guys the Safety First plug protectors, and this is the pack that I bought right here. It is a 24 pack, but they do have less and more, and actually they have a whole kit that comes with these included, so be on the lookout for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. I'm gonna show you guys why I like them so much. And you guys, it's very important to get these because kids, they get curious, they start walking around, they start crawling, and they could put their fingers in these little holes right here. So it's very important for safety reasons that you guys get this as soon as the baby starts crawling around and getting all curious. So like I said, this is the 24 pack, Safety First. You can see kind of like the branding right there. And this is basically it right here. All it has is the two plastic prongs that you're just gonna go ahead and plug it in like you would any other socket. And that's gonna go ahead and protect it. I do wanna make a point that on this side, you kind of can see that groove, and that's where you're supposed to remove it. So you would put your fingernail there and kind of pull out on it. The other side doesn't have that. So I just wanna point that out to you guys. So let's plug these in. All it is you're plugging it in, and then you're just pushing all the way. Here goes another one. Okay, just like that. You guys seeing how fast it was? It just took a couple seconds, and now it's child-proof. Your kid cannot put their fingers in here. And the reason why I like it, it's even hard for adults to actually pull this off. So if you don't have a nail, you kind of have to struggle with it, or you could get a flathead screwdriver and kind of just put it in there and then just pull out like this. So just like that, we pulled it out. It was a little tough, like I said, but that's a good thing. If an adult can't pull it out, that means a kid really can't pull it out. So of course, I do recommend these for safety reasons, and hope you guys enjoyed this video.